Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, an independent designer for Club Couture. And today I'm getting ready to change up my 8-inch chalkboard. I'm going to change it to June's Club Couture. So let's do it. Okay, I'm going to start taking everything off. This typewriter was done on foam and magnets, so since my board is magnetic, that was easy. Now I take the scraper, and after I wet it down a little bit, scraped off the old chalk, and now I'm using a board eraser to take some of that off. Now here is the new monthly transfer. This is a subscription. It's $19.99 a month. No shipping charges rather. And you get 3 packets of colored paste with it. It's awesome. So I'm going to apply this one. It's called Shine, and it's very sticky. So I'm going to take this fuzzing cloth, and you could use your t-shirt or clothing, whatever. You just want to get some of the stickiness off, so when you go to pull it off, you're not going to distort it and stretch it out. It is like a fabric. So, and now here I'm just taking my hands and rubbing through it, making sure I get rid of all the bubbles that are in it. Now the paste, of course, if it is a little bit dry, just add a little distilled water till it gets to the consistency you want. Apply it on there and take your squeegee. This time I'm using an angle squeegee. I like that one pretty well. We have lots of different kinds. We have just your regular squeegee. We have this angle squeegee. We have what I call a Big Daddy squeegee. I think it's a handle squeegee. And one that looks like a hockey stick to me. So, and it's good for getting around your jar of paste and also little spaces that you need to chalk. And there it is. And what I want to do is put some glitter on there. So I want to get it before it dries on there, so it'll stick to it. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm trying to keep it away from the middle of it because I don't want it, I want you to be able to read what it says in the middle. So I'm just trying. I got a little bit on there, but I'm not too concerned about that. Then I waited till I made sure it was good and dry and just took the excess off. Took it from that piece of paper and put it back in the jar, and I can use that later too. And there it is, all done. It's a little bit hard to show off all that glitter on camera, but it's there. That was fun, and I like it. Thanks for watching.